Okay, so this is going to be a rough video. A couple days ago, a car popped up on Facebook Marketplace, and it's pretty cool. It's a 73 Jaguar XJ6, and I have really never been into these cars.
Is the person who drives it a bit, what's the word? I'm not quite sure how to sum it up, but they're the sort of person who would go away for a weekend with his wife to a hotel, some romantic place, and spend the entire night flirting outrageously with a waitress, and it's okay because he's got it. Yeah.
A couple things stuck out to me. It was advertised as rust-free, and it was a manual transmission. So, I wouldn't really care that much, except it was really affordable, and it was about 5 minutes from my house. So I went and checked it out. It's a California car. It still has Cali plates on it from 1989, and the current owner has owned it for about 20 years. It's been sitting in the storage unit for 3 years, and I don't know if it's going to start or not. It doesn't have a battery, so I pulled the battery out of my 911, and I brought some starting fluid and some tools, and I didn't have time to get a compression tester, which is unfortunate. But I'm going to see if I can get it to fire, and if I can get it to fire, I might be purchasing a 70s Jaguar. So, completely unexpected, and I don't really want another project car right now, but it's not every day a rust-free manual transmission kind of cool car shows up for sale. I've been reading a lot about these things. They can be total nightmares. They're basically E-types with 4 doors. Same engine, same trans, and same rear end with inboard brakes. The back end has quad dampers. It's a strange car, but I'm pretty excited about it. I have a mixture of excitement and hesitation because I don't want this to turn into what these cars are famous for turning into, which is just lighting your money on fire and never seeing it again. But the price is reasonable, and the miles are low, and the condition is pretty good. So, what else about this thing? It has an inline 6, a 4.2 liter. It's good for almost 130 miles an hour. It has a double-walled firewall for insulation. I don't know, I guess this thing is very quiet and powerful, and a little bit excited. If I can't get it to fire tonight, I don't know if I'm going to make an offer or not. I'm kind of on the fence with this thing, but I am really excited about it, so let's see what happens.